Welcome back to my channel. Pickles here, you don't know, big up on yourself. Right, so I'm going to do a video about 3 reasons why I love Japan and 3 reasons why I hate Japan. Now this video is going to be a little different from what you have seen from other YouTubers because, frankly, I don't want to mix them a bit. So, check out the video, enjoy. Boom. So, the first reason I really love Japan is that there's so much space on the trains, you know. As a foreigner, there's so much space on the trains for us. It's really amazing. I get on the train, no one wants to sit beside me. I'm chill, I got my space, I can spread out and do whatever I want because there's so much space, except when I go to Tokyo or more of the major cities. And they don't give a crap, they just want to get home or go to work. Why won't anyone sit beside me in the train? These are one of the major reasons I hate transport in Japan. Why won't anyone look at me and accept me as a person that I am? I'm just another person. If you cut me, I bleed red, just like you. Why are they creating this segregation? I want to sit at the back or the front or the middle of the bus with my Japanese co-workers, my Japanese counterparts. Why are they afraid of me? Why? This is why I hate Japan! Another reason why I really love Japan is the food. Like, I didn't know there was so much diversity in the amount of food you can have in Japan. And I love their innovation with rice. You can have sushi, tempura on rice, karaage on rice, udon on rice, mochi. You can make a miso from rice. You can make alcohol from rice. Like, oh my god, like, why is Japan so resourceful? They eat what they grow and they use it to make many different things. And not to mention the other stuff like maze soba, udon, noodles. They have so much different foods. And eggs. How much can one country love eggs? If you're an egg lover, you gotta come to Japan. You really gotta come to Japan. Because eggs and rice are like the foundation of their food sovereignty. You know another reason why I hate Japan? Because you only have bloody rice. Everything rice. Rice and alcohol. Rice and this, rice and that. You know what, Japan? You have too much rice. They even have rice fields here. Rice, like everywhere. Rice fields are everywhere. Can one country be so monotonous and so boring and lack diversity? It must be something synonymous with their homogeneity. It's just so monotonous. Rice. And who the hell eats raw eggs? Rice. God damn it. Not to mention natto. Natto, oh my god, don't let me get started on natto. That belongs in the trash, where most of everything else belongs in Japan. You know what else I really love about Japan? Their customer service. It is world class. It's world renowned. It is out of this world. They respond to you pleasantly. There's no passive aggression. They're just beautiful people. Irashaimase, with those beautiful angelic voices. Irashaimase. Welcome you into every store, izakaya. They're so warm and hospitable. Where else in the world can I get this type of service? God, Japan, I wish that everywhere else in the world was just like you. Your customer service is great. You know what I don't like about Japan? Their customer service, their inflexibility. Now you tell me, I want to get a burger with cheese, but the burger doesn't come with cheese, so I can't get the burger with cheese. I can't pay extra for the cheese. I have to buy another burger with cheese and buy that same burger and then take the cheese from this burger and put it on that burger. How inflexible, how archaic can this country get? You know what I mean? God, your customer care really sucks. And you know what pisses me off the most? They stand, get out of your noses. Get out of your nasals. Speak from the diaphragm, okay? This ain't cute. This is not kawaii. It's annoying. God damn it, Japan. Okay, so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. In the comments down below, give me a reason why you like Japan, love, and a reason why you don't like Japan. Because no country in the world is perfect, and so each has its good and bad sides. Some countries have more good than bad, but you know, that's what life is about. So, see you in the next video. Please hit the subscribe, share with a friend. There is going to be another video on Tuesday, starting a series called Eikaiwa Confessions. So, you know it's going to be lit. Alright, see you in the next video. PIgglesdigaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Yeah. Oh, and please make sure to check out my brother Gizmo's channel and check out his album, his EP. He's dropping a single already. I'll leave this link somewhere here on SoundCloud. He's a good artist. Check it out. Big up yourself, Gizmo. Boom, boom, out. Line trill.